Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use melatonin for sleep step by step. Start with a low dose, 5 to 1 milligrams, taken 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Try consistent timing nightly and pair melatonin with a calming routine like dim lights, gentle stretching, and no caffeine after mid-afternoon. Track how you feel for several nights and adjust dose slowly. If you have health conditions or take medications, consult a clinician before changing your regimen. In this video, I will explain how to use melatonin for sleep step by step. Start by trying very small amounts, then increase slowly if needed, keeping notes on timing and effects. Remember that more is not always better. Higher doses can cause morning grogginess or vivid dreams. Use the lowest effective dose for your needs and avoid combining melatonin with alcohol or sedative medications. If sleep problems persist, speak with a healthcare professional for tailored advice. In this video, I will explain how to use melatonin for sleep step by step. Quick note: if this content is helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more helpful guides. On another note, I love a calm bedtime ritual, and the new Kindle Paperwhite fits perfectly for wind-down reading before sleep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use melatonin for sleep step by step. Take it about 30 to 60 minutes before bed and shape your environment to support sleep by dimming lights and cooling the room. Combine timing with routines like reading or light stretching to signal your body it's time to rest. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and vigorous exercise too close to bedtime. If you are shifting time zones, use melatonin strategically around new local bedtime to reset rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.